What's up everyone? Cody the Aussie Alistair Fanbrony here. Now if you're on YouTube regularly or on it every day as I am, you may have already noticed that YouTube has removed the dislike counter, which has really angered the entire YouTube community. And they disabled the dislike counter just to stop targeted dislike attacks, which I think is absolutely stupid. Then you wouldn't be able to tell if a video is good or not. But what if I told you there was a way you can actually see the dislikes again? So let's just switch over to BB Flashback Pro. Mr. Beast 456,000 Squid Game in real life. As you can see here, it's got 140 million views, 11 million likes, and there's absolutely no dislike counter here. I clicked on this video from Timeworks, and someone in the comments here had mentioned you can get the dislike counter by downloading an extension. So what you do here is you go YouTube dislikes, return YouTube dislike extension. That's what I put in there. Then what you do, I've got Firefox, so I've gone into here, return YouTube dislike, install. I've got Firefox, I'll go Firefox. Look, 987 people out of just over 1,000 have rated it 5 stars. There you go, add to Firefox. Okay, go add. Yeah, see, and there you go. Now I'll go back to Mr. Beast's Squid Game video. So you see there's no dislike counter there, but you click refresh. And would you have a look at this? The dislike counter is back, so that's all you've got to do. Go to the website called returnyoutubedislike.com, click on the browser that you are using, and it will take you to the page where you can download the extension on your browser so you can see the YouTube dislikes again. So, it's thanks to that absolute friggin' legend, Dmitry Selavanov. Apologies if I friggin' messed up the pronunciation of your name there, but Dmitry, you are an absolute legend for doing this, so we can see the dislikes on these YouTube videos again. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Comment and subscribe down below while you're at it with notifications on. Make sure you got notifications turned on so you don't miss out on a single video of mine. Check out these 2 videos below. I'm Cody the Aussie Alistair Fanbrony, and I'll see you guys later.